Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P0507 indicates an idle control system malfunction, specifically linked to an engine RPM that is higher than anticipated during idle conditions. This issue typically suggests that the engine is unable to maintain its idle speed according to the manufacturer's specifications. In the context of the Honda Fit 2015 to 2020 model years, this can lead to various performance issues, such as erratic engine behavior or unintended acceleration during idle. The parameters of idle control are managed by the Engine Control Module, ECM, which communicates with various sensors and actuators throughout the vehicle. Anomalies in the idle control setup can affect fuel efficiency, emissions output, and overall drivability. It is crucial to address this code promptly to ensure both the vehicle's reliability and to prevent further engine complications. The idle control system consists of various components, including the throttle body, the engine control module, ECM, and the idle air control IAC valve. The throttle body regulates the air intake into the engine, and the ECM monitors the engine's performance by adjusting parameters, such as the IAC valve position. This system helps maintain the proper RPM during idle, ensuring a stable engine operation. The components involved are typically located in the engine bay. The throttle body is attached at the intake manifold, while the ECM is usually found in the cabin beneath the dashboard. Any faults or leaks in these components can lead to the high RPMs indicated by DTC P0507. Understanding their roles and locations is essential for effectively troubleshooting and repairing the identified issue. Several factors could contribute to the error indicated by DTC P0507. One primary concern is the presence of vacuum leaks. These leaks can cause an influx of unmetered air into the engine, leading to higher than expected RPM during idle. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve may also malfunction, allowing excessive airflow if it is faulty or clogged. Throttle body issues, such as carbon buildup or electrical faults, can hinder the correct adjustment of the throttle plate, further complicating idle management. Additionally, problems with the electronic control unit (ECU) itself, though less common, could also lead to an inability to maintain the desired RPM. Each of these potential causes requires careful inspection and diagnosis to resolve the P0507 fault. The symptoms associated with DTC P0507 can significantly impact driving conditions and vehicle performance. Drivers may notice a rough or unstable idle, where the engine RPM fluctuates unexpectedly. This can also manifest as a consistently high engine RPM, which might feel like the vehicle is attempting to accelerate while at a standstill. Additionally, the onboard diagnostics (OBD) system will typically illuminate the check engine light, signaling that there is a fault within the vehicle's engine management system. In more severe cases, this condition can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for timely intervention to prevent further complications with the vehicle's engine performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0507 involves a systematic verification of the problem to confirm the code's existence. Start by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System (HDS) to clear any stored DTCs, including P0507. Once the DTC is cleared, start the engine and hold the RPM at approximately 3,000 while ensuring that the vehicle is in the appropriate gear. Either park for continuously variable transmission (CVT) or neutral for manual transmission (MT). This step allows the engine to reach operational conditions and enables the cooling system to activate, which is crucial for monitoring idle behavior. After holding the RPM, allow the engine to idle for at least 20 seconds to facilitate accurate data collection regarding the idle status. Following the engine idle period, the next step is to monitor the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status using the HDS. You will check whether the HDS indicates a failed status for DTC P0507. If the status shows failed, you should proceed with further diagnostics, as the failure has been duplicated, suggesting a persistent issue with the idle control system. Conversely, if the HDS indicates passed, it may signal an intermittent fault. In such cases, it is beneficial to revisit the conditions under which the original fault occurred, especially if any freeze frame data or snapshots were recorded. This data can provide insights into the vehicle's performance just prior to the fault, allowing for a more focused troubleshooting approach. The third troubleshooting step focuses on identifying any vacuum leaks that may be influencing engine performance and contributing to the DTC P0507 code. First, turn the vehicle to off mode to ensure safety before conducting any inspections. You should then thoroughly check key components associated with the idle control system, such as the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve, the PCV hose, the evap canister purge valve, the throttle body, and the intake manifold. Vacuum leaks at any of these points can lead to unmetered air entering the engine, resulting in higher RPM than expected. If any leaks are identified, it is essential to repair or replace the affected component to restore proper function and control of the engine idle. If no leaks are found, further diagnostics should be performed under different load conditions. After completing repairs or replacements indicated in the previous steps, it is vital to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issue has been fully resolved. Begin by clearing the DTC P0507 once more using the HDS to remove any old codes from memory. Following this, take the vehicle for a test drive under various operating conditions to confirm that the engine operates smoothly, without any signs of high RPM or idle instability. After the test drive, return to the diagnostic interface and check the OBD status to ensure that the P0507 code does not reappear. This verification process is crucial for ensuring that repairs were effective and that the vehicle is safe for normal operation. To prevent issues related to DTC P0507 from recurring, a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance is essential. Regular inspections of the vehicle's vacuum systems can help identify any potential issues before they escalate into significant problems. This includes checking hoses for wear, ensuring that the PCV valve is functioning properly, and inspecting the throttle body for cleanliness and functionality. Cleaning the throttle body periodically can prevent carbon buildup that may interfere with the proper operation of the idle control system. Additionally, maintaining proper fluid levels and ensuring that any minor repairs are conducted promptly can contribute to the healthy operation of the engine. A well-maintained vehicle is less likely to experience idle control issues, leading to enhanced performance and longevity. In conclusion, DTC P0507 highlights a critical issue with the idle control system, characterized by RPM levels exceeding expected thresholds. The identification and rectification of vacuum leaks stand out as a common and necessary first step in addressing this code. Troubleshooting through systematic steps using the HDS tool allows for accurate diagnosis and ensures that repairs are effective. It is imperative to conduct thorough inspections of associated components to prevent the recurrence of idle problems. Furthermore, adopting a regular maintenance schedule is the best defense against such issues, contributing to the overall reliability and performance of the Honda Fit. By understanding and acting on these key points, vehicle owners can ensure a smoother and more dependable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!